Most people think younger creators have all the advantages on YouTube. They're wrong. In fact, one of the biggest opportunities on YouTube right now belongs to people over 50. And the reason has nothing to do with being better on camera, understanding technology, or having more free time. The real advantage is something younger creators simply can't manufacture, no matter how hard they try. In this video, I'll show you exactly what that advantage is, why YouTube's audience is changing, and how ordinary people over 50 are using it to build channels, attract subscribers, and create new income opportunities. And before we're done, you'll see why being older on YouTube may actually be one of the greatest competitive advantages you can have today. Let's start with the one thing younger creators spend years trying to develop, but that many people over 50 already possess. The biggest advantage older creators have is trust. It's a practical system that can be started from home using tools that are either free or very inexpensive. So let's begin with the first thing most people get wrong when they try to make money on YouTube after 50. The biggest financial lie many over 50s were told. For decades, society handed us a script: study hard, get a good job, work for 40 years, retire comfortably. That script worked reasonably well for some people, but for millions, reality turned out differently. Unexpected expenses happened, businesses closed, industries changed, divorces occurred, investments underperformed, inflation quietly reduced purchasing power, and suddenly, many people found themselves asking a question they never expected to ask. How do I create additional income at this stage of life? The traditional answers aren't particularly encouraging. Get another job, drive for a rideshare company, work more hours, trade more time for money. But here's the problem. Time becomes increasingly valuable as we get older. You don't necessarily want another boss. You don't necessarily want another commute. And you probably don't want to spend the next 10 years exhausted. That's why YouTube is different. It allows you to create something once and potentially benefit from it for years. A single video can continue attracting viewers long after it is uploaded. Think about that for a moment. Imagine doing a day's work today and still receiving benefits from that work next month, next year, even 5 years from now. That's fundamentally different from most traditional jobs. Hi, my name is Bob, and this channel is built for one specific purpose: to help people over 50 build faceless YouTube channels, using AI tools to create real income without overwhelm. Because, let's be honest, most people at this stage of life are not looking for a hobby. They're looking for a real retirement income strategy, a way to make money online over 50, something sustainable, not exhausting. And that's exactly where YouTube automation fits. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. With AI, we can help you to cut the hours you use in your video creation time by a factor of 4 and turn simple content into consistent income. See links near the top of our video comments below to learn how. Thousands of channels are generating income every month without ever showing a face, revealing their identity, or becoming internet celebrities. In fact, this video uses the vidIQ to produce the thumbnails from an original image of me, de-aged 10 years and re-aged 10 years, using Nano Banana, a very economical image program of Google's. I use HeyGen to convert the narrative created by TubeMagic or ChatGPT into a video using the enhanced, better-looking image of me used in the thumbnail. These products are listed in the video description below. Many people assume YouTube's success belongs to the young. The reality is often the opposite. Life experience creates authority. Authority builds trust. Trust attracts subscribers. And subscribers become the foundation of a successful channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact framework that can help an over 50 creator reach 1,000 subscribers within 6 to 12 months. Not through luck, not through going viral, and not by working 80 hours a week, but by focusing on the activities that actually move the subscriber needle. And make sure you stay with me, because one of the biggest growth accelerators is something most creators completely ignore. Yet it can dramatically shorten the time needed to build an audience. Let's get back into it. Why age is no longer a disadvantage. One of the biggest myths surrounding YouTube is that young people have all the advantages. That's simply not true anymore. In fact, many younger creators struggle with something older creators possess naturally: life experience. People over 50 have stories, lessons, mistakes, successes, failures, perspective, wisdom. Viewers are increasingly searching for genuine experiences rather than manufactured perfection. Look at some of the fastest-growing channels targeting mature audiences. Many are built around simple concepts: personal finance, retirement planning, health journeys, life lessons, hobbies, woodworking, travel, gardening, investing, history, technology explained simply. These topics don't require youth. They require experience. And experience is something you've spent decades accumulating. The very thing you think disqualifies you may actually be your greatest advantage. The hidden shift most people haven't noticed. A major change has happened online. The audience is getting older. More adults over 50 are watching YouTube than ever before, and those viewers often prefer learning from someone closer to their own stage of life. Think about it. If you're looking for advice about retirement planning, who are you more likely to trust? A 22-year-old influencer, or someone who's actually lived through the experiences being discussed? The answer is obvious. That's why age can become a positioning advantage. You're not competing with everyone. You're serving a specific audience, and specific audiences are often easier to grow. The mistake that stops most people before they start. Let's address the elephant in the room. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they lack talent. They fail because they never begin. They spend months researching, watching tutorials, comparing cameras, studying algorithms, planning logos, designing banners, and waiting for the perfect moment. Meanwhile, someone else uploads their first imperfect video, then another, and 6 months later, that person has momentum. Success on YouTube rarely belongs to the most prepared. It usually belongs to the most consistent. The platform rewards action, not endless planning. You don't need to be an expert. This surprises many people. YouTube does not require expertise. It requires usefulness. There's a huge difference. You don't need to know everything about a topic. You simply need to know slightly more than the person watching. Imagine someone learning basic gardening. If you've gardened for 10 years, you already know things that could help beginners. Imagine someone learning budgeting. If you've spent decades managing household finances, you have insights worth sharing. Imagine someone wanting to understand AI. You don't need to be a software engineer. You simply need to share what you're learning. The internet rewards people who help others move one step forward, not people who know everything. The rise of faceless channels. Now let's tackle another concern. Many people over 50 don't want to appear on camera. Good news, you don't have to. Faceless channels are growing rapidly. Some use slides, some use stock footage, some use screen recordings, some use AI-generated visuals, some use simple images and voiceovers. The important thing isn't your face, it's the value you provide. In fact, many successful channels earn substantial income while their creators remain completely anonymous. This removes one of the biggest barriers holding people back. You can start without worrying about appearance, confidence, lighting, or camera anxiety. The income streams most beginners don't understand. Here's where things become interesting. Many people think YouTube income comes only from advertising. That's only one piece of the puzzle. Successful creators often build multiple income streams: advertising revenue, affiliate commissions, digital products, consulting, coaching, memberships, sponsorships, courses, lead generation, software referrals, and more. Imagine a channel with only a few thousand loyal subscribers. That audience may generate more income than a channel with hundreds of thousands of casual viewers. The goal isn't merely views. The goal is creating value. When you create value, opportunities follow. The compound effect nobody talks about. Most people dramatically underestimate what can happen in 12 months. The first few videos might get almost no views. That's normal. The next few might get slightly more. Still normal. Then something interesting happens. You improve. Your titles improve. Your thumbnails improve. Your confidence improves. Your understanding improves. And suddenly, one video performs better than expected. Then another. Then another. Momentum begins. This is the compound effect. tiny improvements accumulating over time. Most people quit before they reach this stage. That's why consistency becomes a competitive advantage. Every week you continue is another week many competitors disappear. The new AI advantage. Here's something especially exciting for people over 50. Artificial intelligence has dramatically reduced the technical barriers. Today, AI can help with research, script creation, idea generation, thumbnail concepts, video outlines, editing assistance, voice support, workflow automation. You no longer need to master every technical skill yourself. You simply need to learn how to use available tools effectively. This is similar to using a calculator instead of solving everything by hand. The goal isn't to work harder. The goal is to work smarter, and AI makes that possible. What if you started today? Let's imagine two versions of the future. In the first version, you keep thinking about starting. You watch more videos, read more articles, wait for more confidence, wait for more certainty. A year passes, nothing changes. Now imagine the second version. You upload your first video this week. Not perfect, just published. Then another, then another. A year passes. You have experience, skills, content, subscribers, momentum, possibly income. Which version gives you a better chance of changing your financial future? The answer is obvious. Action beats hesitation every time. If you're over 50 and struggling financially, YouTube isn't a magic solution. It won't make you rich overnight. It won't eliminate effort, and it won't guarantee success. But it does offer something increasingly rare: opportunity. The opportunity to build an asset, the opportunity to share what you've learned, the opportunity to create value, the opportunity to generate income without relying entirely on traditional employment. Most importantly, it offers hope backed by action. Because every successful creator started exactly where you are right now, with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and a simple decision to begin. The question isn't whether YouTube can create a second income. Thousands of people have already proven it can. The real question is this: will you still be thinking about starting a year from now, or will you be glad you started today? If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe, because here at Money Game AI 50+, we're focused on helping creators over 50 use YouTube and AI to build real opportunities in the modern economy. So if you're over 50 and wondering whether now is the right time to start a YouTube channel, consider this. A year from now, you'll either have a channel filled with videos, experience, subscribers, and momentum, or you'll still be wondering if you should begin. The choice is yours, and the best time to start is still today. But before we move on, check out this new video here.